don't worry, students. Don't worry if you don't have enough time to get it done. If you want to do good design, you never have enough time. So the point is to give you a sense of how to generate ideas based on your analysis. Okay, so it's time. I would like to have each scenario, one team to present. While the other teams are presenting, maybe the rest can upload their template to chat box again, just like the previous work. All right, so who wants to volunteer themselves to present? Any volunteer? If not, then maybe I would like it to have Davis. Can you call a number? So we have 21 teams.
All right, I'm going to call Lucky 21.
21, okay. Who is team 21?
Actually, we just have 11 teams.
Oh, 11 teams. Oh, yeah. Sorry, 11 teams.
Okay, let's divide by 2 and say number 10 and a half. But let's make it 10.
10. Team 10. So team 10 must be doing scenario 3.
Yes.
Okay, those scenario about overbuying, panic buying, overstocking. So team 10.
Team 10 actually is should be room 10.
Okay, room 10.
Okay, maybe I can share the screen first.
Yes, please. Patrick, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is our plan, and we plan to target the consumers, and we try to have an authentic app for spreading the timely information on major events like disease, disasters, or anything else, and then give some recommendation or suggestion to them for their consuming strategies on the food and daily menu and something else. So this is the design, and this is just the how they can use it. Say for example, when there is the drought, and then the app can collect their information about the droughts, including the severity and location and different things, and then can accordingly give some suggestions for their consumers on their food consumption or daily menu and different things. Mm-hmm. And their consumers can have some time to respond to their events rationally and preventing them to buy some non-necessary items, and also and this can allow the markets can have some sufficient stock under different major events.
Okay, thank you. So it is a very useful information app for them, right?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Do you? So it's very brave that you make some drawing. Is it very rare that you do drawings?
Yeah.
Okay, but very good. Yeah, so I'm happy to see it. Yeah, but then okay. So when you are developing this idea further, if you want to make it more gamified, so maybe you can also look into, okay, so if they got the right information, then how they will be rewarded or how they will be motivated to do something desirable, something good to reduce the food loss or to reduce overbuying or panic.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you. All right, so we have scenario. Michael, what's the team number for scenario 2?
No, for scenario 2, it will be room 5 to 8.
5 to 8. So Davis, 5 to 8, any number?
Okay, let's make it 7.
7.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're
It's laughing. Very good name.
1 second. I'm sharing the document.
Okay.
So where is it? Here. That is our group, and we are thinking a integration of many things, because for the scenario 2, we noticed that okay, maybe it's on diet, and also we would like to although it is imperfect appearance, it may be not perfectly good to eat, so rather we show too many education things. We would like to think it from the economic perspective. We were like, oh, there will be some discounts. So if you take a picture of like imperfect things, so you get a discount like next time, so that we could encourage people to try to eat or accept the imperfect appearance. And apart from that, we were also like having some like emotional things, like in the beginning of the apps, like there will be a video saying that or showing that a children that is very hungry, which is from a third country. And besides from that, we will also do maybe some promotion activities, like saying the food testing activities, like although maybe it is look imperfect, but the nutrition levels would be also same as, or even maybe better than the look a good one. And we will also like doing some promotion, or if it is like advertising, we could like comparing other companies, like why although we look bad, but we're still better than other companies, like this, like Burger King or etc.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's good about the point that you encourage people to take more photos of those irregular food, so to get people more familiar with them and knowing that they are just good for eating. I think this is good, and then the other points are also very good. Okay, thank you. And then we have the last scenario. I think it's from team 1 to team 4. So Davis, what's your number this time?
I'm gonna say 3.
3. 3.
Good number.
Yes. So room 3.
In case they don't know they are room 3, so it's Wayne from CUHK and Sua Park from HKU.
Okay, are you sharing?
Okay, shall we pick another? Yeah.
What?
No.
So is team 3?
Did I say 3? I meant 2.
2? Oh, sorry. 2.
Oh, 2. Sorry. Okay.
2. Team 2. Hello, team 2.
Should be Water from CTU.
Okay. Water.
Hello.
Oh,
Yes.
hi.
Hello.
So please open our worksheet.
Okay. Are you opening?
This is right by my group mate, so I need to wait here.
Okay. Is there any technical issue?
Perhaps we can just explain it first, since we're not able to share our screen right now. So our idea comes in two parts. So for the first part, because I personally think that in terms of raising awareness and encouraging university students to eat fish or fillets over Angus beef burgers, it needs to come from and fish or fillet burgers, as well as the difference in nutritional value, because I think those are more hard-hitting if it comes from actors that are not McDonald's themselves, because for McDonald's, they don't really care about that because they would only be focused on the sales. So for there to be some real effect in terms of persuading university students to eat fish or fillets more, it needs to come from other consumers as actors. And then in terms of how we're going to do that, I think that promoting on social media is very important. So informative quizzes to test their knowledge on how much water and other environmental resources go into producing Angus beef burgers versus fish or fillets, really put into perspective the contrast in terms of nutritional value and sustainability. And that in itself will sort of give them an idea and implicitly promote them to eat fish or fillet burgers more. And then next I can hand over to Walter, who will talk about another aspect of our solution.
Do you have the template to show?
So unfortunately, I'm not able to share the screen because I'm joining this meeting through my phone.
Okay, I see. Okay, so maybe because it's already past 8 o'clock, so maybe we just stop here for your presentation. Do you mind? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can
Sure,
read
you.
the template later. Okay, but from what you have talked about, I think information is very important. But reading information might be sometimes be boring, so it will be a good opportunities for designing a game-like app and then make the information more readable, interesting to read, engaging, easier to engage students to read the information. So it has some chance to do it. All right. Okay, so thanks very much for all the teams. So now let me show you my last slide to wrap up. Okay, so design for sustainability. So I hope that through the templates that through experiencing the project, so you kind of think seeing what is about design for the design approach for sustainability. So we have the analysis part. So you have the systems. I'll ask you to map out all the elements, the people, the activities in the systems. So you have a broader view about the systems. And then you have another template for drawing your ideas. So visual thinking is another key element about design. So for some creative writers, they will write, and then for the imagination, when they write their fictions. And then for design, we will draw. So we usually draw out through sketching, doodling, or other things. And also we will do some models, prototypes. So this is our tools to make us think more, to analyze more, and then we will argue with ourselves whether it is good or not. And then we define problems is, so when we understand the systems, when we understand the actors, so now you have some terms, you have learned some languages. So you know who are the actors, and then so after today, maybe you can go and then observe more. Here I have some, so observe more and also interview some of the actors in the food production and consumption systems. And then you can understand more and to redefine them, to understand why there are food loss problems. And also be curious and creative. And then we hope to turn sustainability into game-like learning and let people learn, engage, and have fun. I think gamification has the very big fun elements while learning. Okay, so this is my last slide. All right, so I think this is the end of the workshop. Michael, I pass it to you.